Welcome to my channel. TP-Link Deco X20 and X60 Wi-Fi 6 Mesh Setup Tutorial. 1. Unbox your Deco system. Open the package and check that you have the Deco units, power adapters, and Ethernet cable. 2. Connect the main Deco unit. Take one Deco unit and connect it to your modem using the Ethernet cable. This will act as the main router. 3. Power on the device. Plug the Deco unit into a power outlet and wait until the LED light starts blinking, indicating it's ready for setup. 4. Install the Deco app. Download the TP-Link Deco app from the App Store or Google Play Store on your smartphone. 5. Create or log in to your account. Open the Deco app and sign in using your TP-Link account, or create a new account if needed. 6. Start the setup process. Tap Set up a new Deco in the app and choose your model, Deco X20 or X60. 7. Follow the on-screen instructions. The app will guide you through the setup process and automatically detect your Deco device. 8. Add additional Deco units. Place the other Deco units in different rooms and power them on. The app will detect them and add them to the mesh network. 9. Set Wi-Fi name and password. Create a Wi-Fi network name, SSID, and a strong password to secure your network. 10. Test your mesh network. After setup, check the internet connection in different areas of your home to make sure the mesh system provides good coverage. Thanks for watching. Like, comment and subscribe.